Mga bata pa kami, yung tatay namin lagi siya nag-iwan ng 20 pesos para pang merienda naming tatlong magkakapatid. Pero dahil hindi namin ma-divide sa tatlo yung 20 sa equal parts, yung nanay namin nagdadagdag siya ng piso para maging 21 para maging 17 kaming tatlong magkakapatid. Alam naman natin yung 20 ay hindi divisible sa 3. Divisible? So, don't panic. Huwag kayong mag-panic. So, ibig sabihin lang ng divisible ay pwede mo i-divide ang isang number ng walang putal, walang labis, walang remainder. So, yun lang ibig sabihin nun. Ang tanong ay paano nga ba malalaman kung ang isang number ay divisible sa isa pang number? Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon sa vlog na to, the divisibility rules. So, wag natin patagalin pa. Simulan natin to. This vlog is all about the divisibility rules at ang mga topics na to, ang mga rules na ito ay makakatulong sa iyo para mas maging madali ang iyong pag-divide. So wag na natin patagalin pa, let's get it on. The first one is the divisibility by 2, and the rule says that the last digit must be an even number. Now, to say that a number, if a number is divisible by 2, ang titingnan lang natin ay yung last digit. Okay? If it is an even number, then it is divisible by 2. Ano ba yung even number? 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. Okay? So, tingnan lang natin last digit. So, I have here two sets of examples. The first one is 228. So, the last digit is 8 and it is an even number. So, it is divisible by 2. 4,236. The last digit is 6. It is an even number. So, this is divisible by 2. 292,360. Last digit is 0 and it is an even number, therefore this is divisible by 2. Divisible, which means that if you divide it by 2, the answer, it has no remainder or walang putal or walang excess, walang sobra. Okay? Ano mo naman malalaman kung ang isang number ay divisible by 3? So according to the rule, the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. So therefore, kailangan nating i-add yung bawat digit. At dapat ang sum niya ay multiple ng 3. Ano ba yung multiple ng 3? So we have 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. So yun yung multiples of 3. So kung ganun yung sum, then therefore it is divisible by 3. Okay, so we have 6,801. So i-add natin 6 plus 8 plus 0 plus 1. So 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. And 15 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, this is divisible by 3. O diba? Kahit hindi mo pa siya dinidivide, alam mo na kagad kung divisible siya sa 3 o hindi. Another example, we have 219,654. So, i-add lang natin yung 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4. So, 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 9 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 5 is 23, plus 4 is 27. And 27 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 3. Another one is 29,444. We have 2 plus 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 4 is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 4 is 23. Oops. How about if the number is divisible by 4? So how can we say if a number is divisible by 4? So the rule is the last two digits are 0 or the last two digits are multiples of 4. Ano ba ibig sabihin pag sinabing multiples? Multiples of 4, yung 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, etc. So yun yung mga multiples of 4. If the last two digits are these numbers, then therefore, it is divisible by 4. So let's see. So we have 9,036 here. And the last two digits are 36, and 36 is a multiple of 4, therefore it is divisible by 4. Okay, so 21,224. So the last two digits are 24, and 24 is also a multiple of 4, therefore we can divide this by 4 without remainder. 92,300. Sabi rito, the last two digits are 0 or the last two digits are multiples of 4. In this case, the last two digits are 0. Therefore, it is also divisible by 4. Then the last one is 41,029. the last two digits are 29. And 29 is not a multiple of 4. Okay? It's actually a prime number. And it's not a multiple of 4. Therefore, this number, 41,029, cannot be divided by 4 na walang remainder. Okay? So, this is not divisible by 4. Okay? So, this I think is the easiest. So, we have the divisibility rule by 5. The rule says that the last digit must be 0 or 5 para masabi natin na divisible ang isang number by 5. So, by just simply looking at the last digit, tingnan natin, the first one, 1,355, is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. 92,300 is also divisible by 5 because of the 0 last digit. 71,202, is it divisible by 5? No, because the last digit is 2 and it is an even number at hindi yun 0 at 5, so therefore it's not divisible by 5. Then the last one is 2,365, which is divisible by 5 dahil ang last digit is 5. Okay? Huwag na natin patagalin to. So, divisibility by 6. The rule says, if it is divisible by 2 and 3. So, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and at the same time divisible by 3. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Kailangan ang last digit is an even number and of course, kailangan ang sum ng mga digits is a multiple of 3. Okay? So, the first example, we have 219,654. So, to inspect, para malaman natin kung divisible siya o hindi, unahin natin gamitin yung 2. If the last digit is an even number, therefore, it is probably divisible siya sa 6. Then, later on, gagamitin natin yung 3. So, magbawas tayo ng isa-solve. So, we have this one, the second one. The last digit is 1. Therefore, i-cross out na natin to. Automatically, it's not divisible by 6 because the last digit is 1 and it's not an even number. Okay? Then the last 3 are all even number ang last digit. So let's see if this is all divisible by 6. So tingnan natin. So 2 plus 1 plus 9, 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 2, 12 plus 6 is 18 plus 5 is 23 plus 4 is 27. And 27 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, and also the last digit is an even number, it is divisible by 6. Next, so this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2. So this is 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the sum of the digit is 9. So therefore, it's a multiple of 3. And check, this is divisible by 6. Then the last one is 41,209,020. So we have 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 9 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. Sana tama. 0, 4, 1, 2, 0, 9, 0, 2, 0. Yan. So the sum of the digits is, so this is 5, 6, 7 plus 9. 9 plus 7 is 16 plus 2 is 18. So the sum of the digits is 18. And it is a multiple of 3. Therefore, this is also divisible by 3. You can check it in your calculator. Try to divide these numbers by 3. And comment nyo sa baba. I-comment ninyo sa comment section kung ano yung naging sagot. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, so the next one is divisibility by 7. So ano yung rule? Hindi ko nilagay yung rule kasi mas madali talaga ito kapag nakita ninyo yung proseso. So makinig lang at manood. This is a very interesting one. So 30,492. How are we going to say if it is divisible by 7? So the first step, we are going to take the last digit, double it. Double it means I will multiply it by 2. It will become 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So, ima-minus natin. So, this will become 3049 minus 4. The answer is, this is 5403. And then, the answer or the difference, ganun ulit yung gagawin natin. Ulitin lang natin siya. We're going to take the last digit, 5. Double it. This will become 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Subtract natin dun sa natira na 304. Subtract natin minus 10 is equal to, so this will become, no, this is 4. This is 30. This is 294. And then again, yung last digit na 9, na 4, i-double natin. This will become 4 times 2, which is 8. 29 minus 8 is equal to 21. At yung 21 is a multiple of 7. multiple of 7. Therefore, this number, 30,492, is divisible by 7. Another example. The second example is 5,992. Again, the first step is take the last digit. Kuhanin natin yung last digit. Double it. Multiply by 2. So, maging 4 ito. And then, isubtract natin yung 4 dito sa natitira. So, 599 divided minus 4 is, this is 595. And then, let's do the same process. Happy viewing sa mga asong nagkakahulan. So, we have 5 times 2 is 10. Isubtract natin ito sa 59 minus 10. Ang matitira is 49. And 49 is a multiple of 7. Multiple of 7. Ayan, so divisibility by 8. The rule says the last 3 digits must be 0 or the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. So, ito lang gustong sabihin dito. Instead of dividing the whole number by 8, then, kunin lang natin yung last 3 digits and then divide natin sa 8. Kung divisible siya sa 8, then it is divisible by 8. So, let's take the last 3 digit, 192. Divide natin sa 8. So, this is 2, we have 16. This is 3 and 2. 32 divided by 8 is 4. Then, we have 32 and 0. So, obviously, the answer is 24. No remainder, walang sobra, walang putal. Then, therefore, 1,192 is divisible by 8. And so 44,000. So according to the rule, the last 3 digit is 0 or the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. So since the last 3 digits is 0, therefore we can say that 44,000 is indeed divisible by 8. Okay, so divisibility by 9. So the rule says that if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 9, therefore the number is divisible by 9. So ano ba yung multiples of 9? We have 0, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and so on. Okay, so titingnan lang natin. Kapares lang din ito. Doon 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 8. So this is 9 plus 9. This is 18. So the sum is 18. Therefore, it is divisible by 9. Okay. Let's say we have another example, 289,404. So, if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 9, then it is divisible by 9. So, let's add 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 9 is 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 4 is 27. The sum is 27, and it is... And lastly, the divisibility by 10. The rule says, if the last digit is 0, then it is divisible by 10. So, titingnan lang natin lagi yung last digit. So, in this case, 220 is divisible by 10. 40,500 is divisible by 10. 2,366,427. The last digit is 7. Then it's not divisible by 10. Ayan, so the divisibility by 11, this is a bonus part. So let's say we have 30,492. The rule, just refer to the process. So we have here how many digits? We have 5 digits here. 30492. Ang sabi dun sa rule, if the sum of the odd numbered digit minus the even numbered digit is a multiple of 11 or divisible by 11, therefore the number is divisible by 11. So let's see. So these are the odd numbered digits. Odd 1, 3, 5. Okay. So 1 plus 4, 3 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 9. Minus the sum of the even numbered digits. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. So 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So therefore, 30,492 is divisible by 11. Okay. Another example, we have 353,716. Our odd number digits are 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, and 1. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 7. And the even number digits, we have 4, 5, plus 7 is 12, plus 6 is 18, minus 18 is equal to negative 11. So negative 11 is divisible by 11 or a multiple of 11. Therefore, 353,716 is divisible by 11. So that's all for now. So thank you so much. There are many more rules for divisibility na maaari kayong mahanap all over the internet. and it's up to you na lang kung mag-extra research pa kayo. But the most important thing is kailangan ninyong ma-master kung ano man yung natutunan ninyo ngayon. So I prepared something here for you, and if you want to check your answer, if it is correct, you can find the solution in my Facebook page, Sir Penmat TV. I'll just put the link below. So thank you so much. Na lang ang vlog na to. Maraming salamat. O nga pala, congratulations sa ating lahat. Mga suki, 153 na tayo as of now, as of today. So tayo ay 153 na. So maraming salamat sa inyo ng mga nanonood, nagtitiwala sa mga pinaggagawa ko dito. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Ayan, so dahil 153 na tayo ngayon, mga suki, may naisip akong pakulo. So, i-shoutout ko yung unang tatlong magko-comment dito sa vlog na to. Tapos, i-shoutout ko kayo sa aking next vlog. So, ngayon, ang i-shoutout ko ay yung last na nag-comment, ay yung first 3 na nag-comment sa aking vlog na Perks of Being a Teacher. Sana napanood ninyo. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood, panoorin nyo po ulit. So, shoutout ko si Kevin. Ako si Kevin, yung kasama ko doon sa vlog na yon. And then, si Maria Cheryl de la Riarte, estudyante ko sa Pililla National High School. Mashe, hello. And si Emmanuel Antica, na dati ko rin estudyante sa SIC, ngayon isa siyang call center agent. Kamusta ka naman dyan? Sana bumalik ka sa pagtuturo. Hi. If you watch this video, please give me a like. At kung may natutunan ka sa video na to, sa vlog na to, subscribe naman kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. Sa mga subscribers ko, maraming salamat sa inyo. Sa mga bago rito, welcome mga suki. Paki-subscribe po yung ating channel. Get to click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time na ako'y mag-upload. By the way, ako nga pala ay mag-upload every Monday and Thursday. So twice a week ako mag-upload para mas marami pa tayong video, mas marami pang matulungan kapag na gustong i-suggest para sa next vlog ko. So paki-comment na lang sa baba dahil baka kayo yung maging next feature ko para dun sa mga susunod kong mga videos. Thank you so much. Ako nga pala si Sir Pen, naniniwala na if you cannot change the world, at least make a difference. Bye-bye.